Hi Discovery viewers. As a follow-up to our previous video about searching tips, or searching mistakes rather, we wanted to actually give you a demo of what happens if you build the index differently. So on my screen right now, I have two searches, the exact same set of documents, and we can see by looking at the criteria, we'll edit it to see it. It's based on the thing we're looking for, either attachments, edocs, and the file name has certification in it. Same thing, let's click on part 2, because that's there. Same set of documents. You can see, click on it, let's click on it. You're gonna see 36, close this out, 36. All right, well let's look at the two searches, because how I'm building my index will make a difference. In the first one, I have the extracted text listed before the file name. So when I have these searches set up, I just build my index. If you want to show, we'll do that very quickly. We actually built these. And let me just search for the. And as you can see, we built these certification demo part 1, certification demo part 2. Now let's go back to those searches, and we're going to run certain searches, because we're going to look at acknowledged, and because this is not the full actual extracted text, so we're going to have to do it as a broad search of within 40 of certification. Right over here, there's clearly more than, there's the word certification, but it's more there. So in demo 1, the part 1 rather, if you run the term acknowledged within 40 certification, you will see, sorry, wrong search index, we'll have to be on that index, my bad. If you run acknowledge within 40 of certification using that index, you will see it'll bring back 31 of the documents. The 36, not all of them have the word acknowledged. If we go to demo part 2 now, and we put this onto certification demo part 2, it really actually doesn't make a difference because it's the same set of documents. And we put acknowledged within 40 of certification, you will see we will get 0 results because of the ordering. Here, the file name is listed before the extracted text, so the term acknowledge is more than 40 away, because you see, let's clear this, even just from the extracted text, which is relatively large, you see it says certification here, but acknowledge is, I mean, you can see there's a lot of words in between, so it's more than 40 words away. However, if I order the extracted text first, like I did in demo part 1, it's less than 40 words away. And so that's the difference. Depending on how you build the index in the order, it will make a difference when you're running search terms such as and or with, and it won't make a difference as order with and, because then it'll look for both. But if you're running it with connectors where you're looking for the number of words, you can see that this will actually make a difference. The takeaway is that from a perspective, generally you're not going to want to build indexes with combined fields. You should talk to your project manager if file name or file path are actually there and you need to run search terms as opposed to just searching on the field. Let's say like you do file name is like or is looking for a name, and you need to run more extensive searches. The idea would probably be to build a separate index for file name or a separate index for file path, considering that file path will probably have slashes and you don't want those to be searchable characters. When you're searching different fields and you need to run them in there, you may need to run the reports separately and index them separately.